I'm pretty upset right now, and if you know me, you know that's pretty much a rarity, especially when it comes to work-related things. I really don't let things get under my skin too bad, but this really has. So this is I hate to even say it, let's call it a Milwaukee M18 impact wrench. At least that's what they claimed. And I could see from a mile away, you're probably looking at it from your vision and saying that's not a Milwaukee. Anyway, but it was all over TikTok. Milwaukee, 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 M18 impact, M18 impact, M18 impact. I knew it was false and I knew it was a fake, but I said, you know what? I'm going to pay the money. I'm going to pay the $110 to get it shipped to my door because this is absolutely absurd. I don't know that I've ever gotten on kind of my soapbox and started a rant, but that's what I'm going to do for a minute. And then we're actually going to put this thing to the test and see how well it does and see if it actually lives up to what they claim. And then maybe we'll even take this thing apart, but we'll see just how crazy obvious this thing is not a Milwaukee impact wrench. In fact, the numbering, the labeling, everything, you'll see it up close here in a moment. But anyway, this was on TikTok. I paid the $110. I got it here. They claimed it was an M18 impact wrench. They claimed that it had like 390 or 360 Newton meters of torque. I thought that they actually said 600 foot-pounds, and I think they did. But anyway, all the nomenclature now says different. But this group is still up. They're still selling Milwaukee tools. They're not Milwaukee tools. They're not Milwaukee. They're not a Milwaukee certified, authorized reseller or whatever that would be, wholesaler, reseller, whatever. But they're still selling. And in a time when you or I on TikTok or Facebook or Instagram or YouTube, if we had music playing in the background, they'd catch it immediately. If we said something like a pew pew, we would get flagged immediately. Those things are caught like this all the time, automatically, by algorithms, by sniffers that are sniffing everything out and everything we do. So how in the world does this get past those filters? And how in the world are they continuing to sell these products? And I've seen multiple channels doing it. Okay, getting off my soapbox. Let's take a closer look at this fraudulent tool, and then let's see how well it performs as well. I'm really sorry to be ranting like this. I don't like to do this, but it does kind of make me upset. Anyway, this is the box it came in. Just wanted to show you this, and I'll get this out of here, but that's it. No Milwaukee branding at all. You see the type of box that this is shipped in, and you know what type of box that you will get Milwaukee stuff in. Yeah, pretty sad. Anyway, so nothing there that matches. Obviously, N18 Lion charger. And I mean, it's light as a feather. No weight to it at all. A block-off plate for the M12 battery. Yeah, nothing even looks familiar on this charger at all. Here on the base, the speeds here, nothing familiar as on a Milwaukee. Won't even shift, stays in 4. Let's see, change the direction. Yeah, I guess you can only change that in tightening mode, and then I guess that's the battery level there. Doesn't even sound the same. Look at the fasteners. And the fasteners on this, here you have Torx fasteners all the way around the snout of the tool. Phillips head fasteners around here. Phillips head fasteners here. Torx head here. Always Torx on Milwaukee. Almost all their tools. I don't know of any that have any Phillips or anything. Anything somewhat new in this decade at least is going to be either Torx or Security Torx. Same way here in the back. Now on the back looks like they have their Torx fasteners, but again, it should say fuel brushless on the back instead of just brushless with no branding at all. Again, even the lanyard loops, I mean, there's just nothing that looks familiar. Looks like they tried to copy the battery here, and I hate to even show all this, but I do want to show in detail of how bad of a copy this is, and that people are still selling this and still getting away with it because it's an absolute joke that they're able to do this, and it's absolutely not worth it as a tool. It's terrible. Absolutely terrible. You see even the model number here, M18 FIW212. That is not Milwaukee coding. As you know, it's usually always a 4-digit code. So in this case, it's the 2960-20. So this would be, somewhere in that era. This is more the M18 compact size. This is the mid torque here, but this would be kind of the size of the compact. In fact, it's probably a little larger than the compact. Regardless, still, it's nothing Milwaukee whatsoever. Even the directional lever here is nothing like the Milwaukee is. It's just an absolute joke. They claim 339 Newton meters, which equates to 250 foot-pounds. So I don't know why I'm even going to do it, but let's go throw it on there and see. We're going to start setting these at 150 foot-pounds. So there we go, 150, 200, 250, and 300 foot-pounds. That's 150 foot-pounds after about 20 seconds of it breaking that free. Only 150. 200. Another 20 seconds. Couldn't break free, 200 foot-pounds. This thing, I'm telling you, it is a piece of absolute garbage. Do not buy one of these. I thought I probably should have done this before testing as I was ranting about how terrible this thing is, that people might think that I'm talking about a Milwaukee. Let me just make sure that we know this is a fake, a fraud, an imposter, whatever you want to say, while I'm talking about this. So people, you know what? If it walks like a duck and quacks like a duck, it's probably a duck. Or if it doesn't, it's probably not a duck. Anyway, this thing is an absolute joke. And the reason I think it upsets me so much is I live in this world of social media. I live in this world of access media, of interest media. And it doesn't matter which platform, but the fact that they police us so bad, that it's so obvious, it's not conspiracy. You pull your phone out of your pocket and, you're looking at ads that you've been talking about, thinking about things like that. Same thing with this. They know every second of if you've said something, done something, seen something, included music in something, and it will flag you in a heartbeat. I'm not here to argue any of that. I'm just saying it does. We know it does immediately. How does something like this get past days and days and weeks, and who knows how many people they have fraudulently sold a Milwaukee M18 impact wrench, impact driver, drill, saw. I'm telling you, they're selling the whole gamut, batteries and everything, and making their money by, who knows, copyrights, trademarks, you name it, that they're breaking those rules. How are they not being flagged immediately and shut down? And if I complain about this, there is a book of things that I have to fill out with all kind of details and screenshots and writing a story and everything else. And then do I get flagged for flagging them? Who knows? Anyway, just very sad. This has to be done. It's nowhere near even close to performance level as a Milwaukee is. It's not even worth taking apart. Maybe I'll do that in another video, but I'm going to get off my rant here. I'm going to go get some pizza or something with the family and calm down. But anyway, don't buy these fakes off of TikTok Shop or any other platform you're seeing those.